First of all, I would like to thank Eduyush team for their support in my entire journey of Diploma IFRS. And it could not be possible without the support because of where it is not an Indian exam. We need guidance every time from our institute. So Eduyush play a very means correct thing in our journey. So I agreed with the Avirud and Bhavik all the points which they say. I just want to add some points and my journey how it can be easier for you to clear the exam with good marks. So first of all, I would highly recommend the Vijayam lectures which they provided. And if we have some additional time in the initial days, we can just cover by the recorded lectures, which are also very interactive and explanatory by the Vijaya ma'am. And it will help me if we cover it early as we can. It will help us to practice more on in the last days of our exam. So means first of all we have to attend the lectures by online or offline or recorded, it doesn't matter. And get our hand note written get our hand note notes in our hands after completing that lectures, which will help us to revise them later in a very early. Not We need not to attend the session again, or we need not to spend the time to video lectures for again. And after completing that, I recommend that we have to keep aside this study textbook and focus more on the practice book, second BPB practice set, which is very crucial to clear the exam. I practice it thrice, and then it will help us to improve our presentation skill and to improve our speed in the exam. And additionally, there are also some past 3 year exam available on the ACCA website, which we also need to go through. And they also provide us a exam environment as exam screen, how the exam appear. And it will also help us to get familiar with the exam screen, as means it is very similar to the exam. So it is. And another thing, uh, I just want to highlight, like we it is an exam where we need to focus more on practice after getting after clearing our all doubts from the classes and our all concepts from the classes. And yeah, means this is how I approach my exam. And of course you can tailor the process to your own preference, but one key takeaway is the importance of practice of past year question, especially those in the BPP practice set book, along with the last 3 year questions available on the ACCA websites. And they will definitely help us to improve our speed and presentation in the exam. And last tip is, do not skip or underestimate any topic. Each and every topic is very important. And sometimes we means get age of 5 to 10 marks from any topic which are not very frequently asked, but